This is Domiz, an area on the outskirts of Duhok in northern Iraq that previously served as a military camp for Saddam Hussein. Today, it's a large refugee camp which houses refugees from both Syria and Iraq. The organization DOCD, which stands for Domiz Organization for Community Development, was founded in 2004 to help the refugees in Domiz with education and social activities after the unfortunate events of the war. The current house we are looking at in this video is called the Blue House. The Blue House serves as a center for both education and social activities, and thus a central building block in the lives of the refugees at Domiz. Some of DOCD's educational projects includes English, computer science, healthcare for mothers and children, cooking classes, hairdressing for women and men, repair service and installation of air conditioners, sewing courses for women, media and journalism. The social events include making activities for both children and adults as well as collecting charity donations. As a result of poor maintenance, the Blue House is damaged by moisture and vegetation. However, it is always crowded due to DOCD's activities and provides neither a good or healthy environment for those staying inside the building. Our project Gashbin is a cooperation between the Swedish University of Umeå, DOCD, and finally KEMSA, which stands for Kurdish European Medical Student Association. Gashbin means blossoming, dawn, and optimism. Thus, our project aims to renovate the Blue House. We plan to change the following in the building: repairs of the interior and exterior of the Blue House, expansion of the Blue House, installation of new power lines and data connections, as well as new furniture. If you wish to help us with this project and donate money for the renovation of the Blue House, please contact us through our webpage, Gashbin.com. You will find further information at the end of the video.